do it. So we're gonna create a really beautiful bronze inspired, lots of gold. I'm thinking like maybe sort of a lightning bolt-esque shape. We're feeling 80s, so it's lifted, right? Sculpted and lifted.
Yeah, exactly.
And just super gorgeous, but also like a statement.
Yeah, something cool.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's do it. So turn to me one sec. I'm just kind of working out the shape here and figuring out what we want to do. And I know that we're gonna do the real thing day of.
Yeah.
But this is like just so that we can get an idea of the vibe we're going for, so that you can feel comfortable. I think that's another thing that we can talk about is just like playing with makeup and not being scared of like putting it on and taking it off. I think that something that gets a bad rap is like using oil. If you do it properly, I feel like it ends up being more gentle on the skin, and it also hydrates. And I just learned this fact today. I just learned that like lines around the eyes or on the face or anything is mostly just dehydration.
Really?
Cat eyes, right?
Yeah.
For example,
Yeah.
people are always like, oh my god, I love a cat eye, but like it's terrifying and they're never gonna be the same, and all of that.
Yeah, like as simple as a cat eye. That's so good.
And that's just like an everyday makeup. But one trick you can do with that is you basically just always go from the outer corner of the eye where the two lids meet, and if you kick out and start your wing there on both sides, it's pretty much foolproof that you'll get them symmetrical.
That is such a good tip. Oh my god.
Not totally messy.
You guys are getting the superstar treatment today. Michelle Clark is giving you tips on how to do cat eyes and how to do this is a Halloween test for tomorrow.
If you have a cotton round at home and you're doing glitter, just let me look down 1 second. Just pop it under your eye so that when you press in the glitter, if there's any what we call fallout, it's hitting the cotton round and not your face.
So my daughters, when it was their time to go to prom, my oldest daughter wore this gorgeous yellow Jill Stewart dress. She looked unbelievable. And my youngest daughter wore a black Diane von Furstenberg dress. They looked so pretty. And they were like, these photos I'm gonna see later on in my life. So I definitely wanna be in a dress that is gonna, translate, to my like wedding photos and everything later on. And I was like, oh my God, you guys are crazy. The way they think, I didn't think like that. I was like, dude, I'm in pink lace. I was not thinking like that at all. I'm from Rockford, Illinois, Michelle. I'm from Rockford, Illinois, like 90 miles northwest of Chicago.
The product from MAC that I love is one of my absolute favorites, called Face and Body Foundation, and I like to use it like a primer. So, and tomorrow when we do like the full start to finish look, we can get in there with it and add like a glow drop to it, so we get this like bronzy, like ethereal kind of goddessy glow. But I think that is a great formula because it's water-based, so it gives the skin like a nice hug, and it makes the surface a little tacky, so that whatever you're putting on top, whether it's concealer or a little bit of foundation in areas that you want a little more coverage, it's never gonna look thick and cakey and heavy. It's gonna look
that. My life has kind of downshifted where it's like back to like when I was like before I had kids, because I'm by myself at home, and so it's just me and my little pup. So my mindset has changed so much, and I've been really cognizant of just being clear about good people, good news. Like I just don't have time for the bad news. I recognize complaining right away, and I'm just like, no.
Yeah, I'm just gonna do a little bit of highlighter here, and this I think gives us like a taste of where we're gonna head tomorrow.
Yeah.
And
I can't wait to see it.
I'm gonna put a tiny bit of lip on you in 1 second. I'm gonna be fast. All right, I feel like I'm in a good place.
Okay.
You wanna look?
So what do you guys think? Oh my God! Wait, I have to go to dinner tonight. Can I keep it on? Oh my gosh!
Very like Barbie.
Gosh, that is so gorgeous. Guys.
She's gonna like it.
Oh my God, wait, I have to go to a dinner tonight. Can I keep it on? Yeah. I'll be at the dinner, I'll be like, hi guys, just me. You guys, I hope you guys love this because I am in love with this. Love that, like the bronze on bronze, and then the gold, the gradation of gold to bronze is so cool.
Oh my gosh, you're everything.
And I just want to thank you so much for joining me today. I'm Killoren Bensimon, and this is Michelle Clark from Max. See you guys later.
Bye.